Let's say we want to create a water cycle diagram, and we want it to look like this. How can we create such a nice diagram? We will create it ourselves in a few seconds using Microsoft Word SMARTART graphic. So we have our blank document. We will go up to the Insert menu and click on the SMARTART button. As you can see, there are plenty of options such as lists, cycles, matrix, pyramids, and more. Every time you click on one, you will see a preview of it at the right-hand side of the box. We will click on Cycle, select the Text Cycle option, and click OK. The cycle diagram has now been inserted in our document. There will be 5 text spaces as default, but you can always manage that, either by adding more or deleting some. You can add more text by selecting one of the text boxes and click the Copy and then the Paste buttons, or the common key shortcut of Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V keys. For the sake of this example, we will delete one, and we do so by selecting one of the text boxes and simply pressing the Delete key. The rest of the boxes will automatically rearrange. Please take a few seconds after watching this video to subscribe to our channel, and also feel free to leave a comment. Let's now add our text and edit it. Evaporation, 13 font size, bold, and orange color. Condensation, same format, but blue color. Precipitation, green color, and collection, purple color. We can also edit the arrows. We do so by right-clicking on it and giving it style as we've done in previous videos. There are the Style, Fill, Outline options. We'll style the arrows with a blue settle effect. We'll do the same with all of them. We will finally add the title of our diagram by clicking the text box button and selecting Draw Text Box. We draw it in the middle of the diagram. Let's get rid of the boxed outline under the Shape Outline option and type Water Cycle. Make it font size 18, italic, and center it. Now you know how to quickly add a variety of pre-created diagrams and more to make your document look presentable and professional.